Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Run Show. And if you're interested in reviews and talks about radios, shortwave radios, AM/FM radios, software-defined radios, antennas, scanners, gadgets, hit that subscribe button. And more important, if you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notified as soon as I release a video. So let's go on. This is another radio from Jeff King, who brings me radios to review on my show. This particular one is an AM/FM Magnavox radio. It's a 1960s vintage. Pretty easy to read dial. There is only on the sides the volume on-off volume knob and the tuning knob. On the back there is where the AM and FM switch is, and that's where the earplug jack is. That's very different. Usually they're on the side. And then here is the telescopic antenna for the FM band. We'll just very carefully make sure, see how this opens up. There we go. See how long it is. Usually these are not very long. This is a little over a foot long. For again, FM listening. It's not rotatable, so it's either you can rotate it this direction only. Not a big deal. Unlike that previous radio I did, review of Jeff's radio, and I'll get my speech corrected here soon. It doesn't have a kickstand. I really like that kickstand on that other radio. But anyway, see if it says power transistor. It doesn't mention how many transistors. And in Jeff's notes, he didn't mention. Usually they're 5 to 10 transistor. Usually in this size, they're 5 transistor. Let's just listen to it, okay? All right, let me turn the volume up. Put it on. Tune in the station. Let's see, we are in AM mode. Little difficult, and of course my big hand's in the way. Little difficult to tune. It does tune smooth, but it's with this small dial, a little difficult to tune. There we go. Naturally a Spanish station near me. Let's go, let's see. We're going this way. Okay, so we're at the top of the band right now, AM band. Yeah, a little touchy on the tuning. There we go. Plenty of volume. Good on talk show. I don't know about music yet. There's some music. We tune it in. Sounds okay. Let's get off the music. Picking up a lot of stations. Yeah. And I'm not getting any interference when it's not on a station. I'm not getting any interference from my monitor, my computer, other electronics in this room, so it's not being overwhelmed by those things. Yeah, okay. There we go. All right, now let's go to FM. We're on FM now. And of course, we're using the telescopic antenna. And come on, FM, let me turn the volume back up. Did I turn the volume up or did I not? See, that's off, so this is off. Houston, I think we have a problem. I'm not getting any FM stations. Let's make sure I get the switch all the way switched. We flip it down and then up. Okay. It seems to have gone in the FM position. Let me look for a place on the dial that I know. Okay, right around there. Boy, I don't know if Jeff's going to like this. I can't get any FM stations. Nothing. A little bit of noise there. There's nothing. What am I doing wrong? There's nothing on FM. I can get a little noise and every once in a while a little louder noise. And let me try flipping the switch a couple of times on the back. That's AM, FM, AM, FM, AM, FM. Nada. Oh, this is not good. Oh. I wonder if it's the antenna. I'll touch it. I can't get anything. I get a little bit of noise right there. It's almost like it's not in the correct band. Boy, let me see if I can manually tune to where a station should be. Like 95.5 is really strong. Should be right around there. And there's nothing. I don't know. It's not looking good. Maybe it's operator error. But I'm not getting any FM stations. I've got the volume all the way up. I can hear static. And every once in a while I hear stronger static, but no FM stations. I'm sorry, Jeff. Nothing there. Let me look at his notes. Here's the notes he sent me. This is the Magnavox 2-FM-806 AM/FM radio. Purchased it as is. Reception excellent. Pulls in long distance on AM station. FM is also excellent. Well, Jeff, I hate to tell you, I'm not getting FM. I thought it might be the switch. There's AM. Just nothing there on FM. Well, I think that about finishes this review. Let me put up to my ear and listen. No, nothing on FM. On one spot on the dial, I get a little larger noise or stronger noise, but no stations. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Jeff, I'm sorry, I can't get FM on it. AM's fine. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.